How to increase Telegram download speed. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can actually increase your Telegram download speed, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to increase your Telegram download speed, the very first thing that you need to check is basically your internet connection, because that is the first and foremost thing to do so. If your internet is decent enough, you can download Telegram at a decently good speed. But even if your internet is good, your Telegram servers are very slow, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application here. Then what you want to do is just simply tap on the three lines option and then just go to the option called settings. So right here you can find an option called premium. Now the reason I'm telling you this is because if you go to Telegram premium, one of the feature that they offer you is a faster download speed. So here you can see they say normal limits on the speed with which media and documents are downloaded. So if you have premium, then things are going to get much more easier for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.